Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, your captain.
It is.
I'll be very pleased to welcome to the board for 1207 Parisian. Comfortable. Boarding is all complete. We'll be ready in a few minutes for departure. Flight time tonight will be
And
8
Jeff,
hours and
are you
50
having
minutes.
champagne this time?
I am.
Wish you a very
Yes.
pleasant
No
flight.
Coke?
And I really know in the good care of
Let's see your
Chief Doctor,
champagne.
Frederick Podius,
Cheers.
and the entire crew. Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
So we're sitting here on the plane, Air France flight, sitting in business class because unfortunately we are spoiled. This is our next to the last business class ever because once Jeff is retired, these little luxuries will go away.
I will tell you, it's been a bit of a bumpy ride for Anne. First she had a broken seat and then they had to fix that, and then it's just hope the rest of the trip goes back up because it's been up and down and up. But here we are, the business class, toasting our good luck, and off we go. And here is our dessert, which is a fresh fruit bowl and small little pastries. They look delicious. And how was your dessert? How's your flight going? Cheers. And now here we are, breakfast time aboard. We have had a wonderful sleep through the night, and we have started with a bagel, a croissant, some fresh fruit and yogurt, orange juice and coffee, and all of the lovely things for breakfast. So Anne, here it is. You're in Paris. You've arrived. You've taken a little nap. You've showered. You've gotten dressed. Are you about to embark on an evening in the city of Paris?
I am.
And are you just like ready to go?
I am.
All right. So, au revoir, Anne.
Au revoir, chérie.
Mwah. So here you are, Anne, at that little restaurant in the Aladdin Quarter. How do you like that turtleneck sweater?
It's very itchy. I'm used to having a turtleneck on.
It is very itchy, but you're wearing it because it's sort of like winter time here, don't you think?
It's freezing here.
It's what?
Effing freezing here.
Not really freezing, but it is winter time.
I am very cold.
Are you? Well, I can see that the restaurant's sort of in the holiday spirit here. Well, Anne, your first course was escargot here.
We didn't do any videos of it.
And that would look delicious. And you actually got to try a little taste of pasta bolognese. It was sinfully delicious. Okay, all right. Well, and I see you're adjusting well to a turtleneck here. Yes. Being a shorts and t-shirt girl from Florida, this turtleneck stuff is sort of foreign. Okay, all right. So Anne, I hear you're on the World Pharmacy Tour here.
Giving away all my secrets.
You're going to go to a couple of the most exclusive pharmacies in Paris.
The most popular.
Oh, the most popular. Well, I know you're excited about doing that.
The best places to find beauty products at pharmacies.
Yes. Okay. How is your wine this evening? Looks like you got a little hiccup there, baby. Yes, you did. Okay. No. At this point, I'm going to stop the video. And you come all the way to Paris. And what was your first big purchase when you got here to Paris?
Chapeau.
Chapeau?
Chapeau.
And why did you need a chapeau tonight?
Il fait froid.
Whoa!
Froid.
Okay. All right, let's go see Notre Dame.
Oui. Here we are at Notre Dame at night. Even though it's not open and the spire's gone, it's still a beautiful sight to see. So today we are headed to Pharmacy Mange. Anybody who's in Paris, this is the metro stop you want to be getting off at. So the good news is when you get off the metro, you come up the escalator. At the top of the escalator, there is Pharmacy Mange. That's where we're headed. So come along. Okay, so we've arrived at Pharmacy Mange. Online it clearly says that they are open on Sunday. What I've just learned that I didn't know is, yes, they have hours on Sunday, but that's in case of emergency. Their hours are specific hours on Sunday. Here we go. That's only in case of an emergency. So you need to come here Monday through Saturday, and we'll try to get back here before we leave Paris. So in an effort to make lemonade out of our lemons, we're going to walk through this little market and see if there is anything interesting. Jeff thought it was a Christmas market, but it really doesn't look like a Christmas market. It's just a regular market. Oh, look at all this. Saucisson.
Et pour finir, je vais prendre un saucisson doré.
Oh, those are lychees. I wasn't sure what they were. We have ginger. Oh my gosh, these leeks smell so good. Wow. And we have gâteau. And some little snack things. Everything looks so beautiful. Look how bright the colors are. It's very rare to go to a grocery store and see all these bright colors like that. Look at that. Beautiful. It's like a picture. Beautiful. Clementines right off the tree.
400 grammes de filet dorade pour 10 €, là, ça vaut le coup. Allez, on y va, la race cassestra. Allez, on y va, les petits papiers.
This, I guess, is the butcher stall. My goodness, look at the seafood. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Octopus. Turbo. I don't think I've ever seen turbo. Wow, that's huge. Beautiful. It's like a sea urchin. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of those stone crab claws.
Pour finir. Prenez les crevettes, c'est des vrais.
Dried fruit. Okay, this is charcuterie. goodness.
On va pas chipoter. Hein.
Comme dit, tu as dit
On a enfin le bras de envoyé. Comment, mamie?